Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through an easy guide on how to change your name on Cash App. In this video I'm gonna walking you through different methods you can use to change your name. So to get started, if you want to change your display name on Cash App, here's a quick guide on how you can do that. So the first thing to do is to open your Cash App on phone, then tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then from there select personal, then tap your name, then enter your new name, then tap save. And this name is what people see when you send money or receive money. You can also change it anytime if you want. Then if you want to change your legal name, which is your official name, you can also do this. So for you to do that, open your Cash App and go to your profile icon, then scroll down and tap support. Then from there tap something else, then under that you have to click account settings. Then from there change personal information, so make sure you click on that, then follow these steps and provide a comment if requested, like your ID. And this is usually needed if your official name has been changed, for example after marriage. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.